Oh my. It is so bad out here. This brings back memories from that one Sunday. There's at least 40-mile winds out here. I have to yell because you can't hear me that well. Jeez. It is so bad out here. This is literally Sunday all over again. This is literally that one Sunday all over again. There's a 40-mile wind gust hitting the front of the house. I'm not going out front because that's what the strongest winds are. Holy jeez. I mean, it's kind of like when we got that one Sunday. I don't know. It's kind of like that one we got on Sunday, but there's 40-mile wind gusts here and there. But on the one on Sunday, we got sustained winds of 40 miles an hour. So this is gusts of wind of 40 miles. This is wind update. We're not in a high wind warning, surprisingly. This is wind update 1. So I'll give you more updates if I get back to it.